Hi, good day. It's Roland of Rollwing YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your computer name in Windows 10. So if you're still new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated to some of my videos, tutorials, and other things that I put in my YouTube channel. So stick around as I will walk through on how to change your computer name in Windows 10. Our tutorials regarding the how to change your computer name in Windows 10. So there are several reasons why we need to change the computer name of our computer, because once the computer has been set up, it will create a default computer name, and this computer name is not very descriptive, so it's very difficult to memorize the computer name. So we need to change the computer name so that it will become descriptive. Computer name and the host name are the same, so we need the computer name and the host name to, like, if you're going to connect to a certain application, or if you're going to connect to a remote desktop connection, you need the computer name. So in my case, I will show you why we need to change our computer name so that it will become descriptive. So if we go to settings, so we click settings and then go to systems and then go all the way down, so go to about. So this is the one I'm telling. So device name, host name, and computer name are the same. So in this case, this laptop was set up, or was configured, and then it create a default computer name. Let's say the default computer name is desktop, and then 1G9 blah blah blah. So it's not very descriptive, so it will be difficult for, like, say, if you're going to connect to remote desktop connection, they will ask you for your computer name, the computer name, device name, or what we call the host name. So it will be very difficult for you to memorize this computer name and then give it to someone else. So it would be great if you can change this device name or computer name or the host name to a very more descriptive. Okay, so I will show you how you're going to change this computer name using in Windows 10. You can also try it to Windows 7 or Windows any version of Windows. So you always need to change the computer name. So in this case, okay, so we are now in the system and then about, and then you see this one, rename this PC. So you can actually, there are two options that you're going to do in order for you to change the computer name. This is one option wherein you can use this settings and then rename this PC. Another option is that you can go to File Explorer, type File Explorer, and then we have to maximize this one, and then this PC, right click this PC and then go to properties. So once you go to properties, so this is a computer name, it's the same as the one we saw before. So just click change settings. Once you go to the change settings and then click change, and then you can change in this way or you can change in the other way. So we'll try to change it here. Let's say I'm going to rename this computer to more descriptive, like Roland PC. So in this way, this is more descriptive. So once they need your computer name, it will be very easy for you to remember your computer name. So once you put the computer name, the new computer name, just click OK. But in this case, okay, so we'll change yes, just click yes. And then it will ask you to restart your PC. So once you restart your PC, then it will populate the new computer name. So we'll restart the PC. Then you can restart now or you can restart later. But for this demo, I will choose restart later because I'm capturing the screen so that I can show you how to change your computer name. Okay, so in after we change the PC name, we need to restart the PC in order for us to view the new computer name of our laptop or our desktop. So we need to restart the PC. Okay, I'm back now. I just restarted my PC, and now we're going to check if the new computer name has been registered to your laptop or to your PC. We remember that we changed the computer name from that non-descriptive computer name going to the new name, which is the Roland PC. Now there are two ways that we're going to check the computer name. As I've said, you can go to settings and then go to system and then go all the way down. We'll see if the Roland PC has been changed. Okay, so now if you see now the computer name or the device name has been changed to a new name of Roland PC. So the the change of the computer name has been successfully changed from that very difficult to memorize computer name, and then we change it to this new name, which is the Roland PC. So this is another way to check if the change has been uh, registered in your PC or in your laptop. So we can check it also in the File Explorer. So if you go to File Explorer and then go to this PC and then right click and then go to Properties. So we see now that the computer name has been changed to the name that we put as a Roland PC. So the computer name has been successfully changed now. So now it will be easy for you to remember the computer name. So if somebody else is asking you to, can you give me the computer name? So now it will be very easy for you to remember. So I think this is the last part of our tutorial on how to change the computer name in Windows 10. So just like what I've said, you can do the change in either the settings and then go to system and then go to the about, or you can do it in the File Explorer. You can do it in File Explorer to this PC and then right click and then go to Properties, and then you can see the new computer name. So that's the end of the tutorial on how to change the computer name in Windows 10 or other Windows version. So thank you for watching this tutorial in how to change the computer name in Windows 10. If you like this video, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be updated on the upcoming videos. Again, thank you and goodbye.